Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to save your Candy Crush progress. Protecting your game progress is incredibly important, as it safeguards all your hard-earned levels, scores, and valuable boosters. Losing your progress can be a really frustrating experience, especially after investing significant time and effort. By following these simple steps, you will ensure your game data is always secure and ready for you to pick up from anywhere. The easiest way to save your Candy Crush progress is by connecting it to your Facebook account. First, open the Candy Crush application and look for the blue Facebook icon, usually located on the bottom left of your screen. Tap this icon, then simply follow the on-screen instructions to log into your Facebook account and grant the necessary permissions. This instantly backs up your progress and lets you play across multiple devices seamlessly. If connecting to Facebook is not your preference, you can create a free King account instead. Inside the game, find the orange King icon, which is typically found near the Facebook connection option. Tap on it and follow the simple steps to register using a valid email address and by creating a secure password. This method offers the same reliable progress saving and cross-device functionality as Facebook. After connecting, always verify that your progress has successfully saved. You should see your Facebook profile picture or King account avatar displayed within the game. If your progress seems lost, or if you encounter issues, try reinstalling the game and then logging back into your chosen account. Remember, a stable internet connection is crucial for correctly saving and retrieving your game data. It usually resolves many common problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.